Solar power presents an opportunity to address both economic and environmental concerns. It empowers local charities like the St. John's Housing Partnership to better serve their communities by reducing the costs and directing their funds towards essential social services, providing a long-term path to affordable housing.
Probably 9 months ago, we were approached by Everybody Solar, which is a really unique nonprofit that helps put solar with nonprofit missions. So Miriam from Everybody Solar explained it to us, put us in touch with Craig with Altways, and found us a partner in Jinko that allowed us to put solar panels on this roof. Jinko not only produces those panels, but they reduced our costs on this by almost half by donating the panels for this project. So they were a tremendous help for all of us. We wanted to make sure that the initial consumption footprint is as small as possible so that whoever was going to be renting here would have lower utility bills in addition to a lower rent. Being able to put solar on the roof was amazing. We'll save about $1,500, $2,000 a year right now, but this is guaranteeing that it will remain affordable for a long time. I think the vets, when they move in, will be thrilled. It will be unique for them not to have to worry about a power bill, in addition to everything else they'll be working with.
Our aim is to provide turnkey solar installations at no cost to the nonprofits themselves. Synergy Solar was the installer for us, and JinkoSolar was kind enough to donate the modules for the project.
We're actually based out of Jacksonville, Florida, and Jinko's manufacturing facility is actually about 6 minutes away from our warehouse on the west side of Jacksonville. We love being able to, when we get to install Jinko panels, say, listen, we're using panels that were manufactured in Duval County.
We actually installed 2 systems for St. John's Housing Partnership. One is at their main offices out on King Street. Here above us, we've got a 9.72 kilowatt array consisting of 24 modules.
I served in the United States military. On behalf of Jinko, I'm happy to be here this morning. I know JinkoSolar has a lot of veterans that works at JinkoSolar. Upwards of 6% of our workforce are veterans, and I'm proud to work for a company that believes in giving back to the community in which we serve.
This ribbon cutting today here with St. John's Housing Partnership holds a significant value to myself, being from the veteran community, and it really is just a awesome full circle moment where I get to give back to the community that I belong to. I never really pictured that I would be able to have this opportunity, but again, I'm very honored to be here and appreciative of everyone's efforts.